What if I told you the process of straightening your teeth was like a puzzle? There are a bunch of pieces that are scattered around, and they all fit together a certain way. And if you don't get it right, well, you're not gonna get the result you hope for. So my name's Dr. Avi. I'm a retired dentist and entrepreneur. On this channel, I help dentists and the general public expand their knowledge around clear aligners through content like this video. In this video, we're gonna dive into the entire process of dental aligners. I'm gonna break it down into 7 simple steps. So think of the aligner journey as the smile transformation puzzle pieces. Each part is a unique piece that brings you one step closer to a perfect smile. So you want to straighten your teeth because you hate the way they look. Where do you even start? So the first piece of the puzzle is just getting started. You need to meet your dental provider, whether it is going to be your general dentist or an orthodontist. And then what they're going to do is they're going to take initial assessments, probably scan your teeth, take photos, and really get their records in order. This is going to help set the foundation for them to understand the current position of your teeth and what needs to happen to achieve the desired result. So would you trust your dentist if they didn't have a plan in place to improve your oral health? This is where the second piece of the puzzle comes in, which is planning and designing. Your dentist is going to create the tooth movement roadmap, which is going to determine exactly how your teeth are going to move to get into the final position that is so desired. Once they have this, they're going to relay to the lab that they use how to design these custom aligners to fit your teeth. This is a very precise art. There is AI technology involved in this process, and it's super interesting. There is a human element involved where people are cutting and trimming trays, but a lot of different companies are innovating and coming up with different ways to optimize this stuff. Have you ever wondered how often you should see your dentist when you're wearing aligners? Piece 3 to the puzzle is going step by step. So what's going to happen is after your records are taken, after the plan is already made, you are going to then come back and see your dentist, and they are going to give you your aligners. Some dentists give you all of them, and others will give you your aligners in phases. Usually they might give you like 4 or 6 at a time and have you come back. So now that you have your aligners, you're going to go home and you're going to switch them out every week. And so when you're switching out your aligners, you're going to notice anytime you put in a new one, that aligner is going to start to gently nudge your teeth. This is how aligners work. I'm going to dive into it a little bit deeper in a sec. So if you get aligners, your dentist might actually reshape your jaw. What I mean by this is piece 4 to the puzzle, and this is where tooth movement occurs, and it's through pressure in your jawbone. So aligners are applying pressure to your teeth. This actually reshapes the bone around your teeth. This doesn't happen immediately. It's a gradual process. As this happens over time, is how you get closer and closer to your end result. Before we move forward in this video, please comment below and share your thoughts. I'm asking because when you comment, it tells YouTube that you're enjoying this video, and then YouTube knows that you're enjoying it, so then they share it with other people. This helps get the word out, which can help increase the views, which can help other people benefit from it. All right, let's get to the 5th piece of the puzzle. If you don't commit to the process and remain patient, you're gonna waste your money. Guys, this aligner procedure takes time. It is a process. Remember, each aligner is applying a little bit of force that's gonna get you one step closer to the final result. For reference, your teeth are moving about 0.2 millimeters with each tray. So you're not gonna see a world of difference after just 1 or 2 trays. Zoom that out to about 6 or 8 trays and you will definitely notice a difference. Something you could do is take pictures as you go and then track your progress. That can really help boost your morale to trust the process and keep going. Now, if you avoid your dentist, you are gonna have problems. So the 6th piece to this puzzle is checkups. You need to be regular with your checkups. Whatever your dental provider tells you to do, follow it. If you miss your appointments, the risk of you not completing treatment on time goes way, way up. What the checkups allows is for the dental professional to be able to assess what's going on in your mouth, and if they need to fine tune or make changes, they can do it in the moment as opposed to waiting until the end. They also do this to ensure that your teeth are still moving as planned and that your aligners are fitting perfectly. Now, if you get something new, which you waited for an entire year, would you want that to last a short period of time or a long period of time? This brings in piece 7, which is the finishing touch. So you've gotten to your goal, everything looks great, everything feels great, your mouth is cleaner, your teeth are straighter, you're smiling bigger, everything is awesome, but your teeth are still moving. You have to protect against the number one thing, which is called relapse. And you do this by wearing your retainer for life. This is gonna help you keep this beautiful smile that you have. This is probably the most important step. Do not forget it. And there you have it, the magic of aligners. It's a journey and a process, but if you trust it, it will work. If you enjoyed or found this video valuable at all, you need to watch this video right here. I talk about more topics like this one. I think you're gonna love it. I'll see you in there.